Remember the fully optioned silver on blue wagon? Well, now it finally has the monoblocks installed after all this time. So these are all 18x8 ET31 with the 245 40 18, and these are Michelin all season 4s. Extended head lugs, looks good. Got the chrome and silver center caps, which look great. It is a 4MATIC, so the front's pretty high, and this is actually on a little bit of a bump, so that's not accurate to how it normally sits, but yeah, the front is pretty high on a 4MATIC. Color match is excellent. It's supposed to be painted 744 from factory, and that's 744 on the body. Machine lips. Logos are nice and crisp. It's a good looking wagon. Just needs a body kit now. To the back bay. This is a pretty famous spot around this area. I actually used to come here like 6 or 7 years ago when Matt had his 211 wagon, and we're back with a silver 210 and the same car that I had 7 years ago. So you can drive the cars pretty close to the water, which is really cool. Alright, so this is my friend's new pickup. It's a 2001 E55. This car's from Arizona, so it's actually in pretty good shape. It's been dry climate its whole life. So of course with Arizona you get some sun damage on the plastic parts, but the overall paint's pretty nice. And from what I could tell, this is original paint. Like you tell right here, if it's been painted, there's like a cutoff line. Of course the plastic up here, the roof rails are done. Mirror caps could be repainted. And it's got a lot of miles, 258,000, so quite a bit more than mine. But it's in pretty good shape overall. Of course, got the headliner sag. Because it was in Arizona, the leather has shrunk just a little bit. But overall, this car is in really good condition. I mean, steering wheel's not ripped, seats are not ripped at all. Pretty nice. Got the original floor mats. All right, just pulled up to South OC. Alright, check it out. This is the fully restored 16 valve. It is super clean underneath everything. Literally, it looks like brand new, of course. So everything's plated, all cleaned up, fresh paint on where there needs to be paint. As much new hardware as possible. Got some new coilovers, everything's new. Brand new exhaust. Stainless steel brake hoses, got some custom coilovers. Really well done. And of course the whole car just looks like brand new. Got the factory Evo 2 wheels in the machine finish. This is the original finish that these would have come in. These are not redone. This is literally a brand new wheel. I think the machining looks excellent on this. Have the Silvera rear calipers on the back with the 500D aluminum Brembos up front. This is the same setup that the Evo 2 would have. And this car has been repainted in Astral Silver, so we never got this color in the States. I don't know if they made them in Europe, but this is a 190E color, just never for the 16 valve for the US market. Of course, the engine bay matches, the undercarriage is all redone, replated. Everything's been rebuilt to the highest degree. Looks excellent. Engine bay's been painted with clear coat. Just very well done. Working on Pablo's W211 E55 compressor today. He also owns that pewter CL55 that used to be blue, and we are doing headlights. So I'm already done with sanding. So I did them up to 2500, and this time I do have a new little tool, so I'll link in the description if anyone is interested. But it comes with all these sanding discs, and this is way easier to hold than a piece of sandpaper. Headlights are so much cleaner already. They used to be pretty faded. Now they're nice and white, so we're gonna go ahead and polish them, and they'll look really nice. All right, complete the headlights. So I have a little coat of wax going on there, but this is the finished product. Came out pretty good. I think it came out better than my previous attempts at the CL. The little tool I got for sanding actually helps a little bit, and I got a little bit more sandpaper, so it's nice and smooth. Really well done, I think. These are as nice as these used headlights will get. Of course, new will look way better, new lenses, but it's turned out really nice. It was really yellow and faded before, so I'll let these cure, and we're gonna wash the car, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, here's the car all cleaned up. It looks really nice. Headlights turned out good. Once again, it's probably as nice as these used headlights will get, but big improvement nonetheless. This car cleans up actually really nice too. Got some fresh wheels on there, new tires. I really like this car. All right, so here's Ernesto's W210 E55. So he saw the LED lights that I did on my car, and he liked to put some on his, so that's what I'm doing today. So we're gonna be doing the LED city lights, high beams, turn signal lights, and we're also doing the reverse lights as well. So here's everything I'm using today. I will put a link in the description in case anyone is interested, but we got the Auxito, turn signals, high beams, reverse lights, city lights. So I already filmed the video on all these lights I've done on my car, so I'm gonna go through this pretty quick. I'll just show you the end result when I'm done. All right, so check it out. We got the lights on, fog lights, high beams, no malfunction. We put in reverse, also no malfunction as well. Here's the LED reverse light. It is error free, which is great. So this is much brighter than the stock halogen. And the LED city light, which matches a little bit better with the xenon. And here's the high beam, which matches the city light perfectly. So xenon's a little bit more warm white. And yeah, those are all no malfunction lights. So this is a great upgrade for your W210. So if you're interested, check out the links below. I'll link everything that I use in the description. And this car was just so pleasant to work on. It's got 86,000 miles. It's in beautiful shape. Ernesto keeps his car very, very nice. So thank you to Ernesto for letting me work on your car.